Hi guys, so today I want to show you in Xero the difference between customers and suppliers. So when you are in Xero, you have contacts, like you can see here on the top menu, and you see all contacts, customers or suppliers. So when you are in Xero, you can only create contacts. You can't just create a customers or just create a suppliers. You see, if I look here at my contacts, I can see there are 54 of them. If I go in customers, you can see there are 16, and if I go into suppliers, you can see there are 19 of them. So 16 plus 19, that's 35. Customers plus suppliers, you have 35 of them. But the total number of contacts is 54. So where does the difference come from? Is that in Xero you can create a contact, and once you have the contact, when you create an invoice for that contact, Xero will know that it's now a customer. If you create a bill for that contact, it will know it's a supplier. The interesting thing is that a contact can also be both a customer and a supplier. Like ABC Furniture here, you owe them money, but they also owe you money. Here you owe. This one here, you don't see anything owed or to be owed, is because all there is a bill, but it's already paid. Because there was a bill, Xero knows it is supplier, and because it's paid, it is Xero. So that's how it works. And it's very important to understand that, because after, when you synchronize with systems like Kolleno, that's how it will know who's the customer and a supplier for you based on the data you have in your Xero. So you always have one source of truth. So yeah, so that's it today for the contacts, and looking forward to see you in another videos. Bye bye.